Hi, my name's Tiffany Lobdell, Artistic Educator with PRAVANA from Peoria, Arizona. Today, I'm going to show you a look inspired by a snow queen. I first started off by pre-lightening her regrowth. I used Pure Light Ultra Lightener in 20 volume. The Ultra Lightener is my favorite lightener to use anytime I do on-scalp application or when I'm doing any platinum blonde looks. The consistency is so nice and creamy that it allows me to apply it carefully without overlapping on her previous blonde. When I think of a snow queen, I imagine a platinum silvery blonde, which is why I chose to utilize our platinum toners. They are perfect to use anytime you are looking to have that white blonde at a level 9 or 10. I mixed 45 grams of our platinum smoke with 10 grams of platinum lilac. I applied the toner to the first 2 inches of the hair and then went back to apply toward the ends of the hair, processing for around 5 to 10 minutes. As you can see, we were left with this stunning snow white blonde, which created the most perfect canvas for our Vivids application. For this look, I really wanted the Vivids to really pop around the face as well as the underneath of the hair, but still have that brightness of the blonde that would lay over the Vivids. To start my sectioning, I created a mohawk section on the top of the head starting from the middle of each eyebrow. This will be the blonde in the front that is going to lay over the blue and the silver. For the back sectioning, starting from behind the ear, I created a sharp angled M, just like the letter M. I split the section vertically in half and applied the Blissful Blue formula to the front and the silver behind the blue. I started off with the Blissful Blue formula, applying that on the outline of the M and then the silver right underneath that. I really love the sectioning because not only is it super unique and it makes it really easy to retouch after it's faded or grown out, but the Vivids really stand out so nice, especially since we have the contrast from the light blonde on the top of the head. After you've processed for 30 minutes, now it's time to rinse. Using cool water, I really recommend that you rinse out the Vivids first, then go back through and rinse the top of the section where the blonde is. This is going to make sure that none of that Vivid that you just did is going to blend or bleed onto the top of the head where you have the platinum. It's winter and it's cold, and in some places it's even snowy. With the weather and the holidays, I was inspired to create a look that captured the essence of a snow queen. The combination of the platinum blonde, the silver, and the baby blues reflects the colors associated with snow and ice. I thought that this was the perfect look to embrace the winter season and create a technique that embodies the enchanting and icing qualities of a snow queen. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that technique as much as I did. Make sure to follow PRAVANA at pravana.com for lots more education and inspiration.